Today he's gonna be doing my makeup.
I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing.
But he has to at least try.
I don't even know what this is.
And if he watched my videos, he should know.
This is a half an egg.
So
what do you even do with it?
I can't. Okay, these are the rules.
What?
I can't tell you what anything is and how to apply it. Okay?
Why is it wet?
It's need to be wet. Okay. Now you gotta paint your canvas. I don't have anything on my face.
Okay, is it a rule? Is it a rule? Is it a rule? Or can I look something up and see what it does? How the fuck do you even describe it? Look it up.
Stop cursing! What? Game on.
Okay, well I guess we'll start with Two-Faced.
If you can hear that, his dad's mowing.
This is gonna be a rough one, I'll be honest. I don't even know what this is. I mean, you know what? You don't understand. Why can't beauty products just be labeled what they're for? Like, put this on the cheeks. Too-Faced. All this stuff. There's a pile of just...
Can I just say I'm just gonna say what to use first. That bottle.
There's 40 bottles on my bed.
That bottle.
Oh, this bottle.
Come on, I used it in the car.
Skin reeds? Skin treats. Oh, the fan. Gotta play the wind. It's like golf. Play the wind. How much more do I do?
Okay.
What does that even do?
It preps the face and
It missed something.
use that too. Okay, that's all I'm gonna tell you. You're prepping the face.
I'm gonna fuck this
I
up.
want to break out.
What? It came out. Wait.
Be careful.
Oh.
What you got? You gotta read it.
Did I just spray it?
No.
Okay, this is this is Milani Prep and Soothe. Oh boy. Camellia. Camellia. It's face oil.
Okay, be careful when you open it.
What do I do with it? It's like
Just open it and you'll see what it...
It's like a dab. Is this dab oil? This is dab oil. I'm freaking... Oh, a twist. Well, how does it get put on?
Oh,
Open your mouth.
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the forehead and just hope it drips down. I guess. Do you rub it in? Oh, I can't ask.
We're not even past this part and you're already...
Freaking out?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just put it on your face and rub it in for you. Yes.
I don't know.
What? Okay.
I'll hold it.
No, don't worry. No doing anything. This is my job. I have one job, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna mess it up. Back. Use like eye drops.
Don't make me go blind.
Trust me, it'll help you to look at me. Okay, ready? Are you sure about this? Okay. Your hair's gonna get in the way.
That's fine. Oh shit.
I don't know how. Yeah, this is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what any of this is, to be completely honest. Do you? DEW. Okay, this is afterwards, I'm guessing, because it's fresh glow. So if it's anything like painting a foundation, this is like... I'm trying to think of the word. This is like clear coat. Clear coat your face with Do You. There's like 10 different brushes here. I'm sure they all have a different purpose. Why can't you just use the same brush? I don't know why this is open. What is this? Don't tell me. Oh, it does say it. This is eyeshadow. Okay. I know what that's for.
I need foundation.
Foundation. Right. This stuff is gross. Foundation. This is what this is for foundation. This is definitely, yeah, this matches. Oh boy. You have different color foundations.
I have that and that one.
Oh, they're the same thing. Or is this one darker? This one's definitely darker. Deep, yeah, okay, it's labeled. Yeah, deep beige, right. We use deep beige. Look here. I'll use this one. Yes.
Show them what you're using and what you're putting on.
So, okay, so I dabbed on like that much. I don't even know if it's in the right area. So that's not even the dirty area.
And
I'm using
what's it called?
that. It's called Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation. So this is medium beige. This is medium beige. So if it looks wrong, it's my fault. I know you normally put this on your cheeks. I don't know how much though, so. I don't know if that's a lot or not. That's a lot, judging by your.
I can just feel it.
This is a lot. Okay, and I think I just rub it in with this. I don't know what to do. Jeez, I definitely put way too much on. That's for. Oh, fuck it. I'm trying not to swear.
Blend it. Blend it, girl.
God. This is like white chicks. Powder me.
Thanks. Okay.
It's not turned out too bad. Okay, it might look a little thick in your cheeks, but it's not bad. I'm gonna make this side perfect. Stop laughing, I'm doing my best.
Oh Lord. You know how we're gonna paint your room? That's what it feels like on my face right now.
Just glob it on and blend it. We're gonna be yelling, blend! To about pebble gray or something. You're gonna hate this, but I think this is pretty good. This is going pretty good so far for my first time.
My eyebrows!
Oh, I'm not supposed to do in the eyebrows? I don't.
Whatever.
This is going to be very hard for me because I think natural beauty is the best beauty. What the hell does this do?
It covers up imperfections and baggy eyes
Oh, we don't need that.
and T-zones.
T-zones.
Yeah, you put under your eyes and your T-zone.
Okay.
This is your T-zone.
Alright, well, I went dark, so I'm going to go with this one. This one.
Which
Alright.
one are you using?
I'm doing the Tarte.
Tart.
I'm making a mess of myself. I'm a warrior. Used a half an egg to blend again. Eggs aren't just for eating, they're for makeup. Oh shit. Oh.
I'm scared.
Because the more you look at me, the more I can get a visual of what I want to do. It's not too bad.
You're smiling. I'm scared.
Because I'm kind of impressed with myself.
I think I should do your makeup next.
My makeup. Oh, so you're saying I need makeup?
No, it'd be fun.
No.
If this video gets 50 likes.
If this video gets 1,000 likes, then she does my makeup.
1,000 likes?
1,000 likes.
Doesn't matter when. It could be 5 years from now.
Doesn't matter when.
When I get it.
Just relax. Stop. Her leg's shaking. Her leg's shaking right now. Kylie, give directions on how people should use this stuff. I'm gonna put this on the eyebrows. Kylie Jenner cocaine. Alright, it's not cocaine, but it just looks like glitter. I don't even know how to describe it. don't even know how much to put on, to be completely honest.
Oh god.
Did you hear how nervous she was? She wanted. Oh god. I don't know how this goes on. So you gotta look at me. Now I'm nervous. Look what you did. Now I'm nervous. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, can I ask you? Because I don't want to spill this. I just don't want to waste her stuff. No. Can you move your hair out of your face? Is there rules against that? Is there rules against that? If I broke the rules, whatever. It had to be done. Okay, so anyways, we're done. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, what did Okay. It's going everywhere. Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's going everywhere.
Her eyes got so wide, I did something wrong. Oh my god. Why is it everywhere? What did I do wrong? Okay, keep looking at me, remember. Keep looking. Oh my god. I was doing so good, I think I messed up now. Need that much. No, I didn't. Okay, so your right eyebrow's gonna be a lot better now, I promise.
Okay.
Remember, continue to look. Okay, this gotta get put down before you.
Just so you guys know, he's using a highlighter. Go ahead.
Stop
Can
looking
I
at
tell
me.
you something? That wasn't for eyebrows.
So that's why it looks wrong. Like I said, paint paint can be fixed. Paint cheek thing now, since we have plenty of. But this is wrong. She gave me a look. She can't keep her looks.
I can't use my inside voices with my look. Strong brush.
You just.
I said that brush.
What the hell does it matter?
That's for bronzer.
What the fuck is bronzer?
Stop cursing.
Say cheese.
Jeez.
Oh, that is perfect. Cool. Messed that up.
And use a dark eyeshadow.
Oh yeah, done. Why didn't I just think of done?
So use this on my brows.
I don't know about this now. This looks really dark. I think of a night out. I think of kind of dark and sparkly. Passion. This one here. God, I have to do this left-handed in the sun.
No, you don't.
I do, because I can't get the right angle. I'm not a left-handed person. Jeez, okay. To make this right, you have to really look that way.
Okay. You guys are gonna be surprised like I am.
I am using the Damn Girl by Too Faced. Is this highlighter? Is this highlighter? This is the Kylie stuff before. Is this highlighter? I don't know. You should be able to tell me what it is, right? Or no? Are you allowed to?
No.
You're allowed to tell me what it is? See, this is what I mean about labeling the beauty products. Label the beauty products so people don't mess things up. People are gonna comment, well, they're labeled in the store. Well, we're not in a store, so this is what I'm working on.
It's a highlighter. Kylie highlighter? Is this a... Where are you gonna put it?
Everywhere?
Okay.
Do I put it everywhere?
I like how you're asking them like, you gotta answer me, please help me.
Alright, well I'm gonna put this shade right here, the darkest shade. I'm not gonna put it everywhere, I'm gonna put it like around the cheeks area. God, the smile. I don't know if that's like a thank you or like a don't put it there smile. Sometimes I
Show
like.
them what you're doing.
I'm going like this.
Okay.
That's wrong. That's wrong. That's definitely wrong. If I'm supposed to show what I'm doing, it's wrong. Now what else do we have to work with here? There's lip stuff. We're gonna make these lips nice and beautiful. This is not lip stuff. This is sunscreen.
This is sunscreen.
It says it. It says sunscreen right on the bottle. Right there. It says sunscreen. This is sunscreen. Super blendable mist. Broad spectrum SPF. It even says SPF 17.
A lot of
Sunscreen.
makeup has that.
Sunscreen.
A lot of makeup has SPF.
This is drug facts. This is drug. Can you buy makeup drugs? This is medicine for how badly I messed up your makeup. This is BLG 15. No, it's angel food cake.
What was the other one called?
The other one. Oh. The other one is. Oh, I know this. Tiramisu. Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Say it real fancy. Tiramisu. This, the tiramisu, is more lighter. You probably can't even see the darkness in it. Yeah, this is substantially darker. So we're gonna go with angel food cake.
I thought you were gonna put it on yourself first.
Let's do a test.
Oh my god.
Horrible.
Does it taste like angel food cake?
No. I don't even know what angel food cake tastes like.
Too close.
Nah, you. God damn. Some of the stuff I messed up, it's because she moved.
It tickles.
Close your lips. Thank you. Oh, it's the do you. It's the do. No. Which one? Nikes. There was one I held up where it's like, this was the final thing. Like the clear coat. The clear coat. This is the clear coat. I'm gonna do you, clear coat. This is do you. Fresh glow. Jesus. Fresh glow. That was. Why didn't I just read that? This is fresh glow spray. Oh. Whatever. Well, fresh glow.
By Too Faced.
But yeah, by Too Faced. Whatever. Okay.
My battery's dying.
We're gonna make this quick, so just
Let's go.
send it.
Okay.
Oh, was there no lid for it?
No. And that's it.
I'm pretty sure I'm done.
Wing liner come out. I haven't seen it yet. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Oh no.
So, yeah. I'm very cakey. You didn't blend to my neck. I'm very shiny too. But for your first try, not terrible. At least I don't completely look like a clown.
Completely. I
mean-
would say other than the Kiss eyeliners, you look pretty
Like
good.
his eyes.
I messed up the eyeliners, and in my defense, I told her to stay still.
But, yeah. I think that's it for the video. Remember, if you get to 1,000 likes on this video, we can do his makeup.
One rule, I'm gonna set it right now. I'm not shaving for that.
Okay.
But we get 1,000 likes to do my makeup.
Sounds good. So make sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe.
Don't let her do my makeup. I kind of want to see it, but yeah.
So, see ya later. Bye!